Hello, YouTube. I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy's Makeup Adventures. You're seeing a different side of the house than you usually see because we are unboxing a big Jeffree Star box. And I'm really excited about it. And of course, there's Chaos in the background. Come here, baby. There's Miss Chaos. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Are you wanting more food? Because I already fed you twice today. You got fed twice today. Okay, so this is my most recent order from Jeffree Star. And of course, now he has those really cute little pink yaks. Just realized my lash is wonky. Shout out to Rich Lux, who always has wonky lashes. That's so funny. Okay. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, now he has those cute little stuffed animal yaks. So cute. I haven't seen the mirrors yet, but we're getting there. Okay. So here's the first two things. He had, if you spent $40 or more, you got a Magic Star concealer, which you guys know is my favorite concealer. Use it all the time in C2, so I picked that up. And then I wanted to try these hydrating glitz balms. This is in the shade Alter. Was wonky in the tube, and it kept, when I would put my lips on it, it would let's put some on right now. Yep, see, so it stinks, but we will be trying this out at some point. It's supposed to be glittery lip balm, and I just put it on over top of red lipstick because sometimes I'm not very smart. Okay, so those were the little things that we got. And then can we see this box? Oh, this is the biggest box ever. I can't even lift it with one hand, guys. It's so big. It's like falling down. Oh my goodness. This is not easy to do. Okay, so can you see it? Yes, you guys can see it now. Let's open it up. I'm going to keep this box, obviously, because it's so cool. It's like a hat box. It has this magnetic opening thing. Got some foam here. This is the mirror component thing. Here's where you plug it in, and then there's going to be a little ball that's going to connect it to its base. So this is the first little layer, and then down here is the stand and the plug and the ball that connects the star. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to have to set this up and show you what it looks like set up. But the box is so cool on its own that it's just like, I don't know, it's super cool. So I will probably be putting Jeffree Star things in there, I'm guessing. So this is the directions on the mirror. It says 5 times magnetic magnifying mirror, 360-degree rotating magnetic mirror. The star mirror panel can be taken off. It says USB charging outlet for phones and other wire charging devices. USB charging input port works only with the approved DC 5V2A adapter. I don't know what any of that means. Power switch, short click the power switch twice to power off the power bank. USB input. Okay, so this just is breaking down everything about this lamp. And this is a nice, sturdy direction sheet. This is not a flimsy little piece of paper. And down at the bottom, you can see I've got one more thing in this box. So let's figure out what it is. It's a mirror. Yay! This is the third mirror from the, oh my, you just saw like all the mess in my house. So this is the third mirror in the Pink Religion collection. I was not going to get this, and then I did. It's actually a lot prettier in person than it was online. And the only one that I do not have now is the gold one, and I will be getting that. My lash is wonky again, and it's driving me nuts, so that sucks. So I want to show you my mirrors over here, my little mirror wall situation. Here she is. Isn't it so cool? So this is going to spin around 360 degrees. Perfect for any and all makeup artists, because sometimes, you guys know, we have to get up close and, you know, tilt our heads back and all kinds of stuff, and whatever prevents the wonky lash, you know. This is so cool. I'm so blessed. And look, I can have a mirror looking into a mirror. I just looked at my makeup up close, and it's super cakey. Like, if I had been using this mirror today, there is a zero way I would have gone out with this foundation on. It's too thick. And it's actually, let me tell you what it is too. It's the Amazonian clay. And I think I just put too much of it on. Yeah, I think I just put too much of it on. This is so cool, and it's plugged in right now, so it's charging. But yeah, it's got 3 different light settings. Click 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this last one almost looks like blue. That's so cool. All right, me and my big old mirror. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you here. And thanks for going on this journey with me. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.